Himani, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some style tips on how to look slimmer instantly. Now beauty doesn't come in one size. I think that everyone should love their body and embrace it. If you're super skinny or if you're a plus size, it doesn't really matter. I think that everyone deserves to feel good about themselves. But sometimes if you are more of a curvy girl or a plus size, it can be a struggle. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some style tips and hacks on how to create the illusion of a more slimmer, streamlined silhouette no matter what size you are. But before we get into that, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do that right now by clicking that red subscribe button down below. And now let's get into the video. Tip number 1. Use a belt. Try using a belt to emphasize the smallest part of your body. This will help give you an hourglass figure and amp up your style game instantly. You can use a statement belt on an A-line dress or even a t-shirt dress to minimize the focus on your trouble areas. Tip number 2. Opt for high-waist bottoms. Next time when you go out shopping, avoid investing in low-rise pants or skirts and go for mid or high-waisted bottoms instead. They tuck in most of the flab, accentuate your curves, and take the attention off your belly. Tip number 3. Tuck your top in. Wearing a long shirt or top loose can cut your figure in half and make your legs look shorter. So it's always better to tuck in your top with a high or mid-rise bottoms. It will define your waist, lengthen your legs, and make your figure slender. Tip number 4. Add a blazer. Add a blazer to further streamline your silhouette. Because the tailoring of a blazer is always slimming and it also hides a multitude of figure concerns. Tip number 5. Try peplum tops and dresses. A correct peplum top or dress can help hide your waist and give definition to your curves. Try finding one that cinches your waist just below the bust because this is the thinnest part of a woman's body. Teaming a peplum top with a high waist pant or pencil skirt make you look very classy. Number 6. Monochromatic method. This means to wear clothes of different shades and textures in the same color family. Dressing like this adds fluidity, which creates an illusion of a narrower frame. Tip number 7. Avoid big prints and horizontal patterns. Of course, you can wear anything you want to, but just for the days when you want to look slim, avoid wearing big or horizontal prints because the eyes slows down while reading those patterns. It reduces the fluidity and you are going to look bigger. Opt for vertical patterns with deep necks instead if you want to look slimmer. Tip number 8. Go for dark colors. Try wearing dark colored clothes to make your tummy look flatter as it hides any bumps or shadows. Darker shades are your best bet even if you are planning to wear a well-fitted top or dress. You can even sport a head-to-toe black attire like this to look super chic. Number 9. Layer with body lengthening pieces. This means wearing a long shrug, kimono, cardigan or jacket. Vertical lines will give you a lengthening illusion and is really simple to do because you are not adding bulk, just adding length to your body. This will also conceal many figure concerns. And last but not the least, posture. Everything will fall flat if you don't have the right posture. So stand straight and tall so that your body stretches and your waist goes in. So that was all for today. I really hope you found these tips helpful. I would love to know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also do let me know which was your favorite tip, your favorite style, or if I missed out on anything. Also guys, if you want me to keep making such videos, please support me by hitting that subscribe button down below. That would really mean a lot to me. Also click that bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And on that note, I'll take your leave and I'll see you next week. Bye!